Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is serving you all the needs and services which I feel you need that for spiritual guidance and guidance for the year of 2021. This video is for 2021 and I'm happy to help you with all the divine channel messages for the zodiac sign of Pisces. So yes, this video is going to give you the insight for entire year of 2021. What is going to happen, how it's going to happen, and what is the major event, everything we need to take care of, what is the hurdle or challenge which you're going to face in 2021 and how you can come out of it, and the divinely guided message so that you know how divine is supporting you. I am a clairvoyant, I am a clairaudient, so I'm going to channel the messages to you which divine is giving me through my divine guides and guides and angels. Also, I'm into angel worship, so yes, angels are always around and they are always helping me to understand your life and your overall growth so that I can guide you well on that. So I will be downloading certain messages and passing it on to you through my channel. You can definitely subscribe my channel to get all the notifications for monthlies and yearlies and some different videos which I'm coming up with, so that you get help and insight and spiritually you can grow on my channel with your zodiac sign information. So now I will be basically channeling you messages, Pisces, for the year of 2021. Major changes around the corner. So I feel the start of the year is going to be a great shift. In the end of 2020 and maybe the starting of 2021, you're going to feel that shift. It's just there because I'm recording it in December. So in December or in the start of the year, there will be a great shift of energy. You will be okay, so people who were feeling harassed or mentally abused, or mentally used by people or harassed, basically I'm getting this energy, will move away from that energy. So I think 2020 was maybe hectic, or people were politically misusing you. So I think this is going to be a clearing of energy for you Pisces. You will be having a relief after a hectic situation, a mentally draining situation, I would say. Also listen to elderly people. So some of you will get some good messages or some kind of guidance from your fatherly figures, or maybe father. So you should take the advice of your father in this year. It's going to be fruitful for you. Your way of looking at things will change. So maybe your overall energy is shifting. So now you will also shift your energy towards how you perceive, how you actually understand any situation. So it's going to be a shift in your understanding, because you also want that. You also want to know a different side of you. Most of you are also kind of researching something on social media regarding how to change, how to bring changes in their lives. Your property work, if it is pending, some of you, is going to happen in the year of 2021. Your savings are going to be well invested. So people who have saved like a good amount or something, this year is good for investment, because you will be either buying some property or investing it. Wherever you invest is going to give you results, good fruits, I would say. Okay, all right, let's jump on to your reading and let's see what Tarot has to say for you Pisces for the entire year of 2021. So I'm going to pull out first the challenges of 2021. What are going to be your challenges, Pisces, for the entire year? Okay, some of you are finding faults within. What faults I have? It's a way of basically demoralizing yourself. So I think the challenge could be that, which I'm getting intuitively. We'll see about it. Now let's check what is the luck which is going to support you in 2021. Maybe something coming from your paternal sides or maternal sides would be a gift, or some kind of property or some, which I just thought could be a thing. So that is going to be a luck for you intuitively, I'm getting. Also, I want to know the major event which is going to happen in 2021. Let's see what it is. I feel it's regarding some family thing. Some major event is going to happen. And divine guidance for you. It's more of family reunions or something like that I'm getting. Okay. The challenge is definitely, yes. So I think, which I said, that you are very much analyzing yourself and you are critical about certain things in you. And why it happens is because you are holding on to things. You are a little stubborn. You don't like to change. People tell you to change, but you don't change. For some of you, it is that you are telling someone to change, but they're not changing. So because energies can be both ways, the challenge is, don't get stuck. Move on. You're stuck with some property issues. You're stuck to receive something more than offered. You're stuck with, you feel that you deserve and you're not getting it. If it is that, in 2021, cards are saying that move on. Else you will become very, very stubborn and very rude. So rude with yourself also. And you will just want to hold on to everything. That this is mine, this thing is mine, this property is mine. You know, my shares, my this and that, everything relating to money will be like, you will want to hold on to everything. Challenge would be to move away, to let it go, to be fluid in your approach, and to accept the reality. So I would just suggest that you are powerful enough to create things. If something is not offered to you as per your wish, you can create it again for yourself. So don't just hold on to things, materialistic things. Value emotions towards yourself and towards others as well. Also, some of you, I'm feeling you are tired of fighting for some particular materialistic thing again with somebody who is powerful, with someone who is powerful in certain ways. From that matter also, it could be a legal matter. It could be something people are asking you, or you're asking with someone and they're not giving you. Challenge is to move away from that. So maybe it is an ongoing energy from the past. Some of you, instead of moving ahead, can become more stubborn and stay back to that and would want to win it anyhow, taking it on the ego. Some of you will understand and move away. So that energy is absolutely challenging. Who will do what is absolutely depending on the two other signs also, because moon sign and your ascendant sign also works equally with your zodiac sign. So I feel, Pisces, you cannot understand yourself is a situation that exactly, is it my ego telling me that I have to hold on to it, or is it my emotions telling me? People are not understanding you and your requirements, but the challenge is to move on. And whatever has been given to you, just take it and go. That could be a situation or a challenge for you. Also, I'm getting that maybe some of you in love relationship, you were dealing with a powerful woman or powerful person, and this person is moving away and you don't want that person to go away, and you are getting possessive for that person. So that is also something telling you that you can move on if they are moving away, but you're not ready. You are feeling challenged with that energy. Let's see what is your luck this year, 2021. Yes, I feel the luck would be that some of you, if what I said about the love sector, if you move away from that person, if you actually gather that strength and move away from that person, you will absolutely change and take a new path, and luck is going to support you in terms of new love. So if you leave behind someone whom you thought is a great connect, but then you know this person is also, I feel that some of you are dealing with disloyal people. Instead, even if you know this, you are possessive for them. you cannot let go of them. You're dealing with someone you're not happy with their behavior, especially with their immature behavior. You're not happy. But this year, the challenge, if you actually face the challenge with courage and with your absolute conviction, you will move away from them. And that is going to make you happy, because you are draining your energies in just sustaining that relationship. And luck is going to be your side, because you will find new love and new path. Some of you can leave the country also. Can leave and move away from this entire binding and move away. Basically, you're putting them at rest. This entire situation, luck is going to support you, give you that strength and that new insight, maybe new person, new luck, to actually get that strength and move away. Especially in the love sector, in some kind of partnership, I feel this is the main energy. Moving on, not getting possessive or holding on to your past is your major theme. Let's see what is the major event happening. Yes, I think the entire reading is all about relationship. So I feel that maybe you are married with this person, some of you, but you know this person cheats, you know this person is not a loyal person. You were still taking everything what they were doing. For some reason you were so attached, or maybe there is a financial sharing between you two. Maybe this person has all the finances or all the properties shared with you. So even if you say or talk to them regarding separation, you were also attached with your assets. So you didn't know what steps to take, because you feel that you have built it up all. And why to share this with this person? But this person is tricky enough, is definitely a liar, and you are stuck that if I have to let go of this person, I have to let go of my possessions, I have to let go of my property or assets, which you don't want to do. This person knows it very well, playing smart on that road. But 2021, you will leave this person, because the major event is itself Tower, which is transformation, which is letting go of all through the transformation. So maybe for you, that's why I was getting this message also, that if it is regarding property or if it is regarding something, you can let go, you can build it again. Because if you are not happy with this person, and for only finances or some sharing of property or assets you're with this person, remember, you're losing time, you're losing life, you're losing opportunity to be loved by somebody else. And this Tower is going to make you understand that it's something you can build again, it's something you can make again, but you can also get some good partner with that. So Pisceans, beware. And that is where your inner knowing and learning starts, because then the event which is going to happen is separation. You will let go of this person, you will get rid of this person. Basically what energies I'm getting is you're done, you're just done, because we have the Seven of Swords also. So even if you know that this person is cheating you, is a very immature person and is just trying to take advantage of you, still some lies or secrets are going to come out, and this time it's going to be heavy, and you will be taking steps and moving forward, because the event is such, because then you have a clear-cut communication with this person, because this person maybe is trying to play with your emotions, and behind the back they know that you can't leave them because you are too attached with your possessions. So this is the clear communication which you're going to get as Page of Wands. So definitely you're going to get that communication open up with this person. Also I'm getting as intuition, the new person is going to enter, some good friend or new acquaintance or new love is going to come in your life, and there will be communication, and this person can help you transform, can actually give you that insight that it's okay to let go of whatever she or he is asking for, to leave you, so that you can really have a new life, you can really restart. The challenge is to move on, and this Tower is telling me that it's going to fall down, and it's your transformation time, because you maybe lost confidence in the course of time to leave this person, because this person has actually made you stuck purposely. using their brain on you. What is the divine guidance for you? Yes, you have to let go of this person. The Emperor card says that yes, you're too attached with everything you have made, earned, or you have actually accumulated. But then you have to be you, to love you first. This all can be made again, you know. You have to be Emperor of you first. You have Three of Swords. There will be heartbreaks. There will be things coming out again to tell you, to basically again force you to leave this person and stand in your own truth. This person, this Queen of Swords, is going to be very clear in asking things and everything. But this is a playful energy. I mean, this is a very betraying energy. Betrayal is going on, Piscean, and you know this. Most of you know this. And some of you, maybe this year, you will know this. Some of you will know this. That this person you're with is a cheater, is somebody lying, or maybe not at all loyal with you. And you will be back in your power, taking decisions. And Divine is telling you to actually become your own Emperor first. Definitely some hidden thing is there. And it's happening mainly because of your earnings and your money, which you are possessive of. But you have to let go of that possessiveness, and that is the challenge. You have to choose between materialistic life or the freedom from this person. So this reading is absolutely telling you that your waiting zone or your that's why harassment, this person harasses you mentally. Mentally, this person has harassed you. If you are married, then this marriage is harassing you. And that is why this message was coming, that in the coming year, you will be relaxed. Because this energy is going to go out of your life. So from the December 2020, movement of this energy is on. So if this is resonating with you, do comment so that I get to know. But I feel that Divine is going to support you, Divine is going to bring the truth in front of you in such a way that it's going to be a big heartbreak of you, and you will be like really thinking about your heart, emotions, letting go of whatever is supposed to go, so that you get clarity, you get out of this situation, and you are powerful enough because you are coming back in your Emperor power to rebuild. Emperor has everything monetarily, so you can rebuild it again, and it will be very easy for you to rebuild it. Because I feel this person is powerful, shows power above you. So maybe you've lost your self-confidence or your worth in certain years. But this transformation is for you, Piscean, to become your own, to get your own power back, to get your own worth back. And then you can leave this person, leave this relationship and move away. Some of you will settle abroad or move out of country to just, you know, let go of this person. Which is a clear message that some harassing energy is going away. This was a harassment with you going on from a while. But now you're back in your power and you will be happy. So I hope you like my reading. I hope you like my guidance. And please do message me, comment me if you feel that Divine is guiding you and giving you that strength. And this process, this entire thing is going on with you. Also, you can watch your moon sign and sun sign to have a complete insight about this situation before you take any big steps. And Divine is definitely going to guide you to move forward. You can't be stuck with your past. You can't be stuck with your some things. You're losing many things, you know. That kind of a message is there. And this yearly reading will also help you to understand that this energy of transformation is definitely coming. So events would take place and you will be aware that this is happening because this is your transforming time. And you can always consult me with your personal questions on your personal, you know, level, because this is generic reading. So all the information is in the description box. And I hope you like my reading. Thank you so much and have a great year. Thank you.